How to add a link on Instagram story. So here we are on Instagram. And basically the first thing that we would need to do is to create an Instagram story. So basically you want to tap here on the plus button on the your story part right there. And from here, just go for whatever media you'd want to upload. But in my case, I'll just tap here on the camera button and I'm gonna tap here on the double A icon so that I can choose a background color. And in here to add link is that you simply need to look for this icon. As you can see, it's a sticker icon. So you want to tap on that. And from here, all you have to do is tap here on the link sticker, which is this one. Tap on that. And all you have to do now is enter the URL of the link that you would want to add to your Instagram story. So for example, I'm just going to go for google.com. Just as easy as that. And then you can also add customized sticker text if you'd want to. So maybe you can go for this is what this is sticker text. Maybe something like this so that you'd be able to understand it better. So yeah, then you want to tap here on done once you have already pasted your URL and the name. As you can see, this is basically how it works. So it says this is a sticker text. So basically what we did on the second step was the preview of what you would want to say here on your link. So all that's left now is to tap here on the share button here on the right arrow or just tap here on your story. And then once it's done, we can now go into our story and see if we can now tap on the link. So let's tap on it. And then as you can see, it says visit link. So tap on it and then you will now be taken into that link. So yeah, that's how you do it.